Sunny. Everybody else in Canada is experiencing snowstorms. This is what we have in Seaports. Windy, sunny, wavy day. You smell the salt in the air, the birds. Spring is here, spring is here. Some benches along the trail. You can check out, there's some houses. This is in downtown, just outside of downtown Sechelt. Maybe one day you'll come visit.